What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Hang Seng Index futures with the ticker symbol HSI1. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So we did see a nice uptrend take place back here in late January up until about late February. So look, it can probably still push up higher. Well, let's take a look. This was one leg up right here. This was the second leg. Price met the measuring target before seeing a drop down lower, and we are still within this green channel, so we could still see more upside potential left. A lot of times when the measuring target is reached and price doesn't want to go any lower, we can still see another large leg up. So if we do see another large leg up, where would that take price? To the 18,160 level. But this is still not that bullish because overall price is in a downtrend. So you can even see that this prior uptrend was completely wiped out by the bears, even though it was very strong move up, because price was still overall in a downtrend. So overall price still in a downtrend. Short term, we could still see some upside. Me personally, I think since we broke this yellow channel, we will probably come back down to retest this prior low at that $15,000 level, or at least make a couple attempts at it. So we just see two small attempts, but we haven't seen the bullish momentum carry prices out of here. So there's a good chance we'll probably see a break of the channel and still see for the downside for HSI. Because overall, it needs to get above the $17,000 level. Why? Because this was prior support right over here. They didn't turn into resistance a couple of times, and we're still below that level. So that can act as resistance. So we need to get above that level, first of all, and also above this trend line that's right around the same level as well. So this downward trend line is off of the swing highs. It signifies lower highs are occurring, and if we come up to it, it can get another lower high for the downside. So again, a lot of resistance in the way. We even have a longer term trend line in play too. So a couple of trend lines, a horizontal line. We have a downtrend that was the prevailing trend, so that can bring down that price. And we did reach a bullish measure move target. So this was one leg up, second leg up. So I would not think price would continue higher from here. It would be lower probability. I think we'll probably see a break of the channel, something like this, a break of the channel, a couple attempts up by the bulls to continue that uptrend that fails for another drop down lower. So that's what I'm expecting it to occur for HSI. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Looking at the weekly chart, you see that price did have a double bottom, but again, double bottoms don't 100% all the time reverse the price. You can see a double bottom right back over here. See, that was a double bottom, and it did lead to a decent sized rally. It was a low point here, price came back to it, went up short term, made a lower high, and then crashed back down. So again, we do see double bottoms occur across the markets, but again, they're not always going to lead to price reversals. So in this case, is it going to lead to a price reversal? As right now, it is too early to say. We got to break those upward, downward trend lines first, because if we don't, most likely price will also break this support level at that $15,000 level. So overall, still bearish because we're below the trend lines, still below the EMA, and we haven't seen any strong bullish momentum take place. Can it continue higher? Yes, it can, but as right now, price is telling me that the bears are still dominating the chart, and short term the bulls are, but it looks like that could be ending soon as well. So again, expecting more downside for HSI in the coming days and weeks, unless we see a strong push through probably the 17,000, 18,000 level. Then we could probably break out for much more for the upside. Until then, I'll stay bearish on HSI in the medium to long term. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.